This is why you need cutting-edge engineering. Without it, buildings wouldn't stand a chance against Mother Nature's shakes. Let's explore how engineers design earthquake-resistant structures. Imagine you're playing Jenga. The key to winning? Keeping the structure stable no matter how many pieces you pull out? Engineers apply a similar principle but on a colossal scale. They use something called base isolation, a technique where buildings are mounted on shock absorbers that dissipate earthquake energy. But that's not all. They also design buildings to sway just like trees in the wind. This flexibility prevents the structures from snapping under stress. And for the final touch, engineers reinforce the building's skeleton with steel that bends without breaking. So next time the ground shakes, remember, it's all that smart engineering that keeps the roof over your head.